Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 8 from exercise 5.2. In today's video I am going to explain question number 9 here from exercise 5.2. Question number 9 is given, find the value of x, y and z in each of the following figure. Some figures are given there and x, y, z represent the angles in that figure, so you have to find out the value of x, y, z. Okay. Here I take a example. Figure is given like that. Two lines intersecting at this point. Okay. Now angles are formed. This angle is given x, this is y, this is z, and this angle is given 120 degrees. Using this angle here we have to find out the value of angle x, y, and z. Now see, to find out the value of x, we relate with this given angle 120 degree. Angle x and 120 form the linear pair. These two angle, adjacent angle on the one straight line. Okay, form the linear pair. Therefore, sum of these two angle is equal to about 180 degree. What is the reason here? Linear pair. Therefore, we write x plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Therefore, x is equal to 180, we transfer plus 120 become minus 120. Then x is equal to what? 60 degree. This is the value of x here. And angle is equal to what? 60 degree. Now to find out the value of y. Okay. Now two lines are intersecting, the angles are formed. These are the vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angles are congruent or the equal. Okay. Now see, these two lines are intersecting at this point, then angle y and 120, these are the vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angles are equal, therefore here I write y is equal to 120 degree, vertically opposite angle. Similarly, we can write angle z equal to angle x. This pair is also what? Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, z is equal to x. Therefore, z is equal to, we already find out the value of x is equal to what? 60. Therefore, z is equal to what? 60 degree. This is the answer. Here we get x is equal to 60 degree, y is equal to 120 degree and z is equal to 60 degree. Okay student. Now see the next example, B example from the same question. This figure is given. Okay. We have to find out the value of x, y and z. This angle is given 30 degree, this angle is given 80 degree. Okay, using this information we find out the value of x, y and z. Now see, relate x with the given angle. Okay, now is there any vertically opposite angle with the x? No. Clear? See, these two lines are intersecting, then y and 30 degree, this angle is the vertically opposite angle. Clear? Now for the x, now see, on this line, these three angles are formed, 80 degree, x and 30 degree. Clear? This form the straight angle. Therefore, sum of these three angles is equal to what? 180 degree. Clear? Therefore, 80 plus x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Here we get the equation. Then x, 80 plus 30, that is 110. Okay, is equal to 180 on the right hand side as it is. X is equal to, we transfer plus 110 become minus 110. Then 180 minus 110. X is equal to what? 180 minus 110. Here we get the 70 degree. This is the answer for x. Okay. Now to find out the value of y. In given figure, y and 30 is form a vertically opposite angle. If you see these two lines only, okay. In these two lines, these two angles are the what? Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, here I write y is equal to what? 30 degree. And what is the reason here? Vertically opposite angles. Now to find out the value of z. Okay. Now how you find out the value of z? Now see, angles z and 30 form the linear pair. See, this is the straight line. On this line, these two angles are formed. Okay. Therefore, z plus 30, here I write 180 degree, that is the linear pair. Okay. Therefore, z is equal to 180, we transfer plus 30 become minus 30, then z is equal to 150 degree. This is the answer. Okay. I hope student you understand how to find out the value of xyz in the given figure. Now see the question number 10. In question number 10, find the angle 2 and angle 3 in the following figure if angle 1 is equal to. Okay. Here I take first example. Here angle 1 is given 35 degree. Okay. This value represents the angle 1. Now in given figure you have to find out the angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 1, this is given 35 degree. We can mention. Okay. Then see, to find out the value of angle 2, we relate with this given angle 1. And what is this angle? Sum of these two angles is equal to what? 180 degree. What is the reason here? Linear pair. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to what? 180 degree. We write linear pair. Angle 1 is given what? 35 degree plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now we solve the equation. Angle 2 is equal to 180. We transfer 35 become minus 35. Angle 2 is equal to what? 145 degree. Okay. Then to find out the angle 3. Now see, these two lines are intersecting. Okay. Form the vertically opposite angle. Now pair of vertically opposite angle is what? Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3. Therefore these two angles are what? Equal. Therefore here I write angle 3 is equal to angle 1 and this is vertically opposite angle. Therefore angle 3 is equal to angle 1 already given, that is 35 degree. Therefore angle 3 is equal to what? 35 degree. This is the answer. Angle 1, this is angle 2 and this is angle 3. Clear student? I hope you understand this question. Now note down your homework student. From question number 9. See example from question number 10. B and C example and question number 11. Question number 11 is given, identify the pair of vertically opposite angle from the following figure. You have to identify the vertically opposite angle. You understand what is a vertically opposite angle and you can easily find out the vertically opposite angles pair. Okay. This is all for today student. Thank you. Thank you very much.